Now we showed you a lot of small cars that were launched, unveiled at the 2014 Auto Expo. And next up we get you a sub 4 meter car from Hyundai. Let's take a look. Alright, when we are talking about small cars, we can also talk about sub 4 meter cars, and we've got the Hyundai Accent now, not the Ascent, and Yogen will tell us more about the new Accent. So
this is based on the i10 Grand platform. It gets all the features that the i10 Grand got, which made it a revolutionary car in its segment. Interior space, the rear AC vents, all the features, a nice dashboard, the cockpit, everything is great about this car. I am slightly disappointed with the styling, but otherwise I think they've got a winner on their hands.
So what didn't you like about the styling on this one? They also say it's got that fluidic design and everything going for it that Hyundai's been gunning.
See, like if you look at the Verna, it's got very striking lines.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have such striking lines. It doesn't have such clear. It's more rounded. You know, that's the difference. Like we saw the Celerio also. It was a rounded kind of a car, and they've gone with this rounded kind of a look here on this car as well.
So competitions for the Accent.
Competitions for the Accent is cars like the Amaze and the Desire, obviously, and both those cars are doing very well. So Accent has a load of competition on its hands. Unlike the i10 Grand, which found a niche for itself, there's no car that goes directly against it. For the Accent, there are cars which will give it tough competition.
So tell us something, when can the Indian consumer see this car coming back to India?
It's slated for a launch next month. We'll have the pricing, and I think deliveries will also start end of March.
What do you expect the pricing on the new Accent will be like?
It is simple to guess the pricing. You look at the pricing of the Desire, you look at the pricing of the Amaze. It is going to be right there.
It's always not that simple. We just saw Maruti pull off a rabbit out of their hat.
No, it's not. Only the automatic is slightly cheaper than usual automatics. Otherwise, the car is just where we expected it to be.
And the engine options that you get on the Accent?
It's the same engine options that are there on the Grand i10. So the full lineup is there, petrol and diesel. Yeah,
pretty much the same. Okay, final question. What do you think is the future of Hyundai? Because Hyundai has been coming out with some really fantastic cars. The Grand i10, as we saw, did really good in the market as well. And do you think that this one is going to, take the market by storm?
I don't think this one is going to take the market by storm, but it will be a fantastic product. It will sell very well. And they've also launched the new Santa Fe, which I think should do very well as well. And they have one more big launch coming up this year. The new i20 is also due for a launch. So we can expect them to really be rocking this year.
Alright, thank you again for talking to us. So there you saw a sub 4 meter car by Hyundai. It's called the Accent, and it is coming to the Indian market next month.